Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing, well, more like a fall review on the Magatama in stainless steel. And I'm going to bring this over here as well because these are the buttons, the original buttons for the Magatama. I just have switched them with the titanium pillar buttons. It gives it more of a, I don't know, height for the buttons, and I think a more comfortable spin, for me at least. But this thing, if you guys didn't see my unboxing video, I got it from G1. It is linked down below. You can use my code Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, this thing is amazing. I plan on getting this thing in tungsten very, very soon, so stay tuned. But this thing is honestly amazing. It's perfectly balanced. Usually most bar spinners I try are wobbly, but this thing has no wobble at all. And for this video, I'll just put it back with the original buttons it has. Here we go. I'm gonna put these buttons on the triangle. Yeah, that's so good. All right, now, actually before that, I'm gonna weigh this thing for you guys. So the stainless steel Magatama with no buttons. There you go. It is 56 grams, and with the buttons, it will be 74.4. Pretty nice weight. So, put this away now. Yeah, this is how it comes. Still very, very comfortable to spin. Very nice shape. Like, these aren't the same, like, side, if you know what I mean. They're kind of like in that motion, but each side is balanced and is the same to the other. Just pointed in a different direction. And the balance is still great, which is amazing about this thing. So yeah. I mean, this thing is super, super nice to spin. Actually, have not picked this up in 2 days. I kind of miss it, but I haven't had this thing with the original buttons for a really long time. Kind of feels nice. I think I'm gonna keep it in this setting again for a couple more days, see how I like it. But yeah, pretty cool. Just love, like, when you're spinning it really fast, the space between the button and the body looks like it's nothing there. Love these things. Love spinners in general. But yeah. So let me see if I have any other bar spinners. One sec. Got this thing, this, and then most recently I got this thing. Oh yeah, and this thing. So yeah, these are my current bar spinners. This is the stainless steel cinema thing. This is the M3 Creations stainless steel tranquilizer. This is the stainless steel Sage from Unique Hand Designs. Love this thing. I would love one in Zirc and Tungsten. Tungsten more though. This is the Zirconium Oil Slick Nobu from NJT. Also one of my new favorite pieces. This is the Nobu version 1. Very, very old piece. This is the 3-body cube. Clicker, spinner, and slider. Really, really cool design. So where does this thing fall in the, I guess, chart from least favorite to most favorite? I would say, so it's gonna be the most favorite. There we go. Actually, no. This way. Yep, this is the order. So, least favorite, and then most favorite. This thing falls right in the middle. I mean, these things are just... I don't know. I just love these so much. They are pretty new. So, maybe, like, that's why I'm liking them over the Magatama right now. But it's an amazing spinner for the money. Plus, if you use my code, it'll be even cheaper. But I think in tungsten, this would be way higher in the scale or rating, I guess you can say. Yeah, these are all stainless steel except this. That's zirconium, and then this is stainless steel as well. Honestly, I really do love this thing, but out of these, this is the least favorite. I don't know, it's kind of tied with this thing. Wish this thing was a bit less hot spotty. And yeah, still a great fidget. Nice shape and all. Full ceramic. But yeah, you guys can see how far NJT has come. And this one scores a lot higher on the ranking than this. But yeah, really want to get more sages. But now, would I recommend this thing? Absolutely, I would. Even in other materials, maybe even titanium. I love titanium. But yeah, I'm definitely getting a tungsten one soon from G1. They also have that available. And yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Give it a 10 out of 10. But yeah, I guess I'll give this thing like a 9 out of 10. Which was tungsten. But yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Turn on the bell notifications. Check it out down below. I'll leave a link to this thing. Use my code Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.